Hi, this is Ronnie, and here's what's left of my Killer Kit with Style. And yes, it was over from October to November, and I did not get very many done, but I did get one more done, I think it is, than I did the month before. This is one of my layouts, and it has embossed wood veneer on it. And this is from my bow punch, and it's so very blessed and thankful for you. And of course I used the autumn papers that were in here, and I used the paper that K and Company that came embossed, and I did put a dent in that between the 2 months. And then I have this one, and Let's Go, and I just pulled that out and used it. It was not in my kit, but I thought it'd look good with this layout, so I used it a few places on here. And I do have some fussy cutting on here, and I do have more layouts I want to do, but I guess I'll spread them out. And here's another one of the fall ones, and yeah, I have some more from October, but I had to make sure I kept them separated so I wouldn't forget which ones got done which month. And this one, it was also for a punched out Thursday, so it has punching on it and different places on here. And this one, Halloween one, and it was for a challenge Moira did for 27 Mercy Tears 27-day inspiration hop, because I forgot to put this piece of paper that is old on there, so I had to tear this and slide it in. But I got it on there. It had like several challenges. I ought to go ahead and say them. Well, I may not remember them all. But this one here was to use alphas on your page that you were down to the nitty-gritty on it and couldn't make words. And I just lost a washi. There will be not one washi in here because it went way underneath my table. It just rolled. And this one was the last one I done, I think, with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And it was also for another challenge, and it had paper tearing technique, gold, ribbon, several things on there. I think Brad's, maybe. Anyway, this is the one is just right, like the 3 bears, and she sat down on this pumpkin. And this one I forgot to say on my video that it was from my How to Kill a Kit with Style, but I did put football in here, so I'd try to get some of my football layouts done. And I got one. I mean, that was better than what I had before, because if it hadn't been in the kit, I may not have got it done. But yeah, and it's for, I also used it for Mixed Media Friday Frenzy. Okay, this is what I got left. I didn't touch none of those. I just can't believe I didn't, because I really wanted to use them. And I did use a few of these, the smaller ones, on the chandelier. I put this in here, and I did use some on the second sheet. I did use a few of these between the 2 months, and yeah, I got some more, but I knew I wasn't going to use all of these alphas. And let's see, here's some washi tape. I don't think I ended up using any washi tape this month. None. I added this when I needed some more stars for something, but yeah, it started out with just that. Oh, and more washi tape, which I didn't use. And I did use some twine. I put this in here so I'd use it, but I did not use it. I cannot believe I didn't use it. I like it, but I didn't use it. And I've got these left over, and I did use a few. I used a few of these, but I still got some, which is good because I really like them. And I hate to see them all go. I may not find them ever again. I wanted to make sure I use this because I've had it so very, very long, but I didn't. I do have the pictures I plan on using them with, but I just didn't get them done. And I put this as Simple Stories, and I did use a couple, I think, of those. This I did real good. I just got, well, I thought it was 2, but it's 3 stickers left on it, And I used one sticker out of this. And I'm not much on chipboard, I guess, because I sure did not use very much on the chipboard side of it. Oh. And this is very old, and I got like a whole set of it. I mean, I don't think I have A through Z, but it had quite a few on there from HSN one time, and I think I might have used on one layout. Yeah, I think I did. And here's the football that I had in here, and this is what I left. I didn't put the whole little kit. It was like $2.40 at Hobby Lobby, and I didn't put the whole little package in here, but this is what I have left of what was on it. And I did use quite a few of these, and I have the picture in mind for these two, and I even fussy cut around them. That's why they don't go all the way over, so I could take a little bit off and have them closer, you know, more like I like them, instead of having a halo around them. I did use some of these. I'm so tickled. And I'm saving this because, you know, I found out I really liked that paper. So I am saving that. And I have this left of the Emboss K & Company. And these other scraps. There's several. I think I used one of the specialty paper between the 2 months, but I got more. And I fussy cut a little more out of this and used a couple. And yeah, all these go together. Let me see. Those go together. And I put this in here because I thought surely I could try to use it some way, but I didn't. It was just a thought. And yeah, but this isn't quite as thick. You know, of course I laid some over to the side. This isn't quite as thick as it was when it started. I did do quite a bit of layering on some. So yeah, I did put it in, and you know, I think was it 6 or 7? I think I did 6 layouts last month, 7 this month. But I have done other layouts for other things, not just how to kill a kit with style. I joined in some groups. They give me motivation to do more. But thank y'all so very much for watching. There will not be a How to Kill a Kitten Style with Style in December and January, but I will have it in February. Because, like, I've got 12 days of Christmas going on. But thank you so much for watching. And if you want to check and see what all everybody else got done, the links will be below. Bye. Have a happy, scrappy week.